The Life of Elon Musk. Welcome to the Visionaries of Tomorrow podcast. I'm your host, Trevor, and today we are diving into the incredible life of Elon Musk, one of the most influential entrepreneurs of our time. From electric cars to rockets that reach the stars, Elon Musk has changed the way we think about technology and the future of humanity. In this series, we'll explore his journey from a curious child in South Africa to the CEO of multiple groundbreaking companies. So, let's get started. Elon Reeve Musk was born on June 28, 1971, in Pretoria, South Africa. He was the first child of May Musk, a model and dietitian, and Errol Musk, an engineer. Elon had a younger brother named Kimball and a sister named Tosca. From an early age, Elon showed signs of brilliance. He was inquisitive and spent hours reading books about space, science, and technology. As a child, he was somewhat introverted and faced bullying at school. This led him to find solace in books and computer programming. At just 12 years old, he created a video game called Blaster. Teaching himself programming, he sold the game for $500, marking the beginning of his entrepreneurial journey. Elon attended Waterkloof House Preparatory School and later Pretoria Boys High School. His childhood experiences shaped his character. Despite being bullied, he excelled academically. He had a strong desire to learn and a passion for technology that set him apart from his peers. At 17, he decided to leave South Africa for better opportunities. He moved to Canada to attend Queen's University, a decision influenced by his desire to escape the political climate of apartheid South Africa. After 2 years, he transferred to the University of Pennsylvania in the United States, where he earned degrees in physics and economics. While studying at the University of Pennsylvania, Elon was not just focused on academics. He was also looking for business opportunities. He often stayed up late working on his ideas and projects. His entrepreneurial spirit was evident even then, as he sought to make an impact on the world. In 1995, after completing his studies, Elon dropped out of a PhD program at Stanford University after just 2 days. He realized that he wanted to start his own business rather than continue with academia. Along with his brother Kimball, Elon founded Zip2 in 1996, a software company that provided online business directories and maps for newspapers. The early days were tough, filled with long hours and uncertainty. However, Elon's vision and determination paid off. By 1999, Zip2 was sold to Compaq for approximately $307 million. Elon received $22 million from the sale, which gave him a significant financial boost to pursue his next venture. After the success of Zip2, Elon co-founded X.com in March 1999, an online payment company. He envisioned a platform that would revolutionize how people send money over the internet. In 2000, X.com merged with Confinity, which had developed a money transfer service called PayPal. Together, they focused on creating a user-friendly payment system, and by 2002, PayPal became a leading online payment platform. eBay acquired PayPal for $1.5 billion in stock, and Elon received $165 million from the deal, solidifying his status as a successful entrepreneur. With his newfound wealth, Elon turned his attention to space exploration. In 2002, he founded Space Exploration Technologies Corp., known as SpaceX. His goal was to reduce the cost of space travel and enable humans to live on other planets. Starting SpaceX wasn't easy. The company faced numerous challenges, including technical failures and financial difficulties. Elon invested much of his own money into the venture, demonstrating SpaceX faced its share of setbacks. The first 3 launches of the Falcon 1 rocket, from 2006 to 2008, ended in failure. Many believed Musk's dreams were unattainable. However, in 2008, SpaceX achieved its first successful launch, marking a turning point for the company. This success led to a contract with NASA to deliver cargo to the International Space Station. In 2012, SpaceX made history by becoming the first privately funded company to send a spacecraft, the Dragon, to the ISS. This achievement not only validated Musk's vision, but also established SpaceX as a leader in space technology. In 2004, Elon joined Tesla Motors Inc., founded by Martin Eberhard and Mark Tarpenning. Initially, he was an investor and chairman of the board, but soon became deeply involved in the company's direction. His vision for electric vehicles was clear: to create sustainable transportation. Musk's leadership style was hands-on, and he often pushed the team to innovate rapidly. In 2008, Tesla launched its first car, the Tesla Roadster, which showcased the potential of electric cars. It could go from 0 to 60 mph in under 4 seconds, breaking the stereotype that electric cars were slow and uninspiring. Following the Roadster's success, Tesla introduced the Model S in 2012, a luxury electric sedan that received critical acclaim. It was praised for its performance, safety, and innovative technology. The Model S changed public perception of electric vehicles, proving they could compete with traditional gasoline-powered cars. Subsequent models, like the Model X SUV and the more affordable Model 3, further expanded Tesla's market presence. By 2020, Tesla became the most valuable automaker in the world, thanks to Musk's relentless pursuit of innovation and sustainability. In addition to electric vehicles, Musk has been a strong advocate for renewable energy. In 2006, he co-founded SolarCity with his cousins Lyndon and Peter Reeve. The company aimed to make solar energy accessible and affordable for homeowners. In 2016, Tesla acquired SolarCity, integrating it into its vision of sustainable energy solutions. This move allowed Tesla to offer solar panels and energy storage solutions, combining electric vehicles with renewable energy sources. Tesla's energy division introduced products like the Powerwall, a home battery that stores solar energy for later use, the Gigafactory, a massive battery manufacturing facility in Nevada, was another crucial step towards reducing battery costs and increasing production capacity. Musk's vision of a sustainable future involves not just electric cars, but an entire ecosystem of renewable energy solutions, paving the way for a greener planet. In 2016, frustrated by traffic congestion in Los Angeles, Musk founded the Boring Company. The idea was to create underground tunnels to alleviate urban traffic. The concept was ambitious, aiming to revolutionize urban transportation. The Boring Company has worked on several projects, including a tunnel system in Las Vegas. Musk's goal is to create a network of tunnels that could transport people quickly and efficiently, reducing reliance on traditional surface transportation. In addition to tunneling, Musk proposed the Hyperloop, a high-speed transportation system that would use pods traveling in low-pressure tubes. The concept could potentially allow travel between major cities at speeds exceeding 700 miles per hour. While Musk did not pursue Hyperloop directly, he released the open-source plans, encouraging other companies to develop the technology. Several startups are now working on making the Hyperloop a reality, showcasing Musk's influence on future transportation. In 2016, Elon co-founded Neuralink, a neurotechnology company focused on developing brain-computer interfaces. The goal is to enable direct communication between humans and computers, potentially helping to treat neurological conditions and enhance cognitive abilities. Neuralink aims to create devices that can be implanted in the human brain, allowing for real-time interaction with computers. The long-term vision is ambitious: to merge human intelligence with artificial intelligence, creating a symbiotic relationship that could enhance human capabilities and even address challenges like memory loss and paralysis. In 2020, Neuralink demonstrated its technology by showcasing a pig named Gertrude with a chip implanted in its brain, allowing it to transmit neural signals. This groundbreaking work has sparked discussions about the ethical implications and potential applications of brain-computer interfaces. In addition to Neuralink, Musk co-founded OpenAI in 2015, an organization dedicated to advancing artificial intelligence in a way that benefits humanity. OpenAI's mission is to ensure that AI technologies are developed safely and ethically. Musk has often voiced concerns about the potential dangers of artificial intelligence, advocating for regulations and guidelines to prevent misuse. OpenAI has made significant strides in developing advanced AI systems, including the language models that power various applications today. Elon Musk's journey has not been without its challenges and controversies. His outspoken nature on social media, particularly Twitter, has led to both admiration and criticism. Musk's tweets have sometimes caused fluctuations in stock prices and attracted scrutiny from regulatory bodies. In 2018, Musk faced legal issues after tweeting about taking Tesla private at $420 a share, which led to a settlement with the SEC and his stepping down as chairman for 3 years. Despite these controversies, Musk's ability to innovate and push boundaries continues to captivate the public. Musk's relentless work ethic is legendary. He often works long hours and has been known to sleep at the office. While this dedication has driven his company's success, it has also raised questions about work-life balance and mental health. Musk has acknowledged the toll that his intense schedule takes on him personally, yet he remains committed to his vision of a sustainable future and space exploration. Balancing personal life with professional ambitions is a challenge many entrepreneurs face, and Musk's experiences highlight the complexities of such a path. One of Musk's most audacious dreams is to make humanity a multi-planetary species. He envisions establishing a human settlement on Mars within the next few decades. SpaceX is actively developing the Starship rocket, designed for interplanetary travel, to facilitate missions to Mars. Elon believes that colonizing Mars is essential for the survival of humanity, acting as a safeguard against potential extinction events on Earth. His plans include sending the first crewed missions to Mars as early as the mid-2020s. Musk's commitment to sustainable energy is evident in his work with Tesla and Solar City. He envisions a future where renewable energy sources power homes, businesses, and vehicles, significantly reducing carbon emissions. His goal is to create a self-sustaining ecosystem where electric vehicles, solar energy, and battery storage work in harmony. This vision aligns with global efforts to combat climate change and transition to a more sustainable economy. Elon Musk's influence extends far beyond his companies. He has inspired a generation of entrepreneurs and innovators to dream big and pursue ambitious goals. His work in space exploration, renewable energy, and artificial intelligence has sparked discussions about the future of humanity and technology. Musk's approach, combining bold vision with relentless execution, has redefined industries and challenged conventional thinking. His legacy will likely be one of pushing boundaries and inspiring others to explore the unknown. As we conclude our series on Elon Musk, it's clear that his journey is still unfolding, with ongoing projects at SpaceX, Tesla, Neuralink, and beyond. The world watches closely as he continues to innovate and challenge norms. Whether you admire him or critique him, there's no denying that Elon Musk's impact on technology, space exploration, and sustainability will resonate for generations to come. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of Elon Musk's remarkable journey. His relentless pursuit of innovation and his audacious goals have not only transformed industries, but also ignited a global conversation about the future of humanity. As we look ahead, the advancements made by Musk and his companies serve as a reminder of what is possible when vision meets determination. From electric vehicles to interplanetary travel, the possibilities seem endless. We encourage you, our listeners, to think about how you can contribute to a sustainable future and embrace innovation in your own lives. Whether it's through technology, environmental stewardship, or simply challenging the status quo, we all have a role to play in shaping the future. This concludes our series on Elon Musk. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to Visionaries of Tomorrow and leave us a review. Join us next time as we explore another visionary who is making an impact on the world. Until then, keep dreaming big and pushing boundaries.